All right, so it pays to pay attention. I want to show you what I found yesterday, and you can do this too. My friend is a numismatist, so he's a coin collector, so he knows the value of coins and currency and what makes them valuable, like interesting serial numbers, errors, things to look out for. So the other day, yesterday, I had a stack of 20 or 30 or 40 $1 bills, and I just started weeding through them. I was looking for what's called a star note. Didn't find any star notes, but I did find this. A serial number that's 11101010, and there's an A in front and a D behind. So the serial number was 11101010. That's called a true binary. Now you can have a binary note that has 4s and 5s, 6s and 9s, any combination of two numbers only, and that gives you a binary serial number. That means that the note is worth more than face value. This is what's called a true binary because ones and zeros are what we use for computer language. And I looked it up on eBay. Turns out that son of a bitch is worth $175. Sure enough, I feel like I just won the lottery. And you can too. All you got to do is pay attention. So I was looking at some of my other notes, and I found a $10 bill that has a very interesting serial number. And this serial number is 118844447. Very interesting serial number. And there's a website called My Coin Collection, or maybe it's called mycurrencycollection.com, and it'll give you a rating on how cool your serial number is. So the coolness rating on my dollar binary note is 99.4. And like I said, I've already checked eBay. There's one similar going for $175. So my $1 bill is worth $175 at least. This $10 bill I haven't checked the value on eBay, but I did check it on My Coin Collection, and it gave me a 97.4% coolness rating. So almost certainly that $10 bill is worth more than face value. It could be at $20, could be $30. I don't know. I'm going to have to check eBay. But my point here is it pays to pay attention. Check your notes. Look at those serial numbers. Look for obvious errors. Pay attention. Good. Oh, one thing to really look out for are star notes, and that's a little green star on the right side of the serial number. That's a reprint of one that was in error. Those are valuable. Another thing really valuable is what are called radar notes. That's where the number forward and back is exactly the same. Example, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. That number reads the same forward and back. It's called a radar note, and it could be any combination of numbers, but radar notes are very rare and very valuable. So pay attention to your currency, guys. Pay attention. One more thing to look out for when it comes to coins. If you have a quarter or a dime and it's pre-1964, chances are it's made of solid silver. Almost certainly it's worth 10, 20 times face value. So if you have a quarter and it's pre-1964 and it's made out of silver, chances are it's worth about $5 or more. Also look for obvious errors. And good luck.